Well, they've been working on the yard on the house behind me, and they filled up the dumpster. So now we're gonna have to take those bags somewhere else, but that's okay, because I'll just put them in the truck, take them to those dumpsters, because that one's getting full. But I got a little bit left to go. I'm almost done. See, they drive up. See the tracks. That's why Abel didn't want to clean around here, because those weeds was protecting the water meter. Because they'll drive right on that. They replaced that water meter a couple of times because boom trucks have ran it over. So I'm getting it done. Little bit more. I'm getting it done. Yeah, I still think they should put more dumpsters out, because they put one dumpster for like 6 houses. I don't think that's enough dumpsters. I think they should put more. So maybe I'll use my videos and go to the city council and see about if they'll put out more dumpsters for people. But I am almost done. This pile, that big pile. I'm almost done. Then I gotta get rid of that chair. I gotta do something with that bucket with the branches. We might see if we can keep it for Abel's firewood for his barbecues. He wants to do barbecues. We've never done barbecues before. And those tires, I gotta do something with those tires. But we shall see what we can get done.